This is the Razer Chroma Addressable RGB controller. Today we're going to unbox it, set it up, and look at all the lighting effects. Enjoy! Here it is. It's an all matte black finish. On the front it says Razer Chroma RGB. On either side it has 3 addressable RGB ports. They're labeled 1 through 6. On the top side of the controller you'll find a micro USB port to sync it up with Razer Synapse, and you'll find a DC power outlet which will be plugged in with Molex. On the bottom you will find that Razer printed #ChromaEverything. The base is made of non-slip rubber, and it has 4 holes in the bottom so that you can screw it into your SSD tray. In the box you'll find a DC to Molex power adapter for the controller. You are going to need to plug this into Molex, or you can get a SATA to Molex adapter. Your next cable is a micro USB to internal USB cable, which is going to sync up your Chroma Addressable RGB controller to Razer Synapse. If you don't have any internal USB headers free, you're going to need an internal USB header hub. The next thing you'll find is 2 3M adhesive strips. They can stick to the back of the controller. Here's our manual.